and we're looking to break the seagull record.
There's a group of them that are down the beach that are about half the size here, so if those 15 join ours, it'll be huge.
It's like a different plan, and they're worried about
We gotta merge ecosystem, Sean.
Do you have a mission? Your mission. This is to see if Adam's a leader that can cause an ecosystem merger. Adam, stop. Yes, please. Go get that group and bring them here with us. Okay, we're talking about exponentiality and acceleration. We got the amazing people from South End Surf and Paddle, Rich leading in surf instruction, but we're also talking about the exponentiality of seagulls. And we've done this once before, but see how many seagulls we got right now, Michael?
2.
Okay, we got 2. Watch this and stay with us as 2 turns into 40, and that's the power of compounding. The power of building and growing your mission and things. And it looks like nothing's really happening. So we had 2 for like, I don't know, 3 or 4 minutes, Tank. Is that fair?
About 4 now.
Yeah, and so, Michael, this is like how you exited. You went from 2 to 4. That's doubling. It doesn't feel that important at 4, but watch what's about to happen. And Tank, Mike, if we could, sort of count it up as we expand past 2 and 4.
So there's a 5th and a 6th, but they're rarely behind.
Yeah, so probably looks like nothing much is going to happen, right?
Right.
So it's like 2 and 4, and it's like, it's not really moving yet. And nothing's really that exciting because there's not really many others yet. I think nothing's really going to happen, and Sean's going to be wrong, and we're not going to have exponentiality. Gina Ricci couldn't help but push in and go, I have more food. I have the pancakes. So this is food pushing is a separate video. We love Gina Ricci. How many we got now?
6.
Oh wait, what's happening?
7.
Yeah. I guess maybe we'll only get to 7, although that would equal, like, I don't know, you're like a Kellogg Business School grad, lots smarter than me. So I think 2 to 4 to 7 is almost like double again. It's becoming a version of micro-exponential. Would you agree?
I would hope it.
Yeah, but we're not done yet. We're not even close to done yet. How many we got now? 9. Ooh. Well, maybe you should turn around and see if there's some more happening behind you. Oh, 12.
Can I see a piece? I want to feed them.
We started with 1. Anybody want to participate? Yeah. So we started with 2, Mike. Oh, wait. Yeah. How many you got now, Mike?
14.
14? So I think we're about to hit that next up one, right? 2 to 4 to 8. It's almost 16 now. If that keeps going, we're not far from having 1 trillion seagulls here. Right? And what they're doing right now, you hear in the faint distance, you hear the sound? They're calling their friends. How many we got?
They're saying Callaghan's back.
Yes. How many we got right now, you think?
I think we have about 22.
Yeah. Now let's see if we can start, guys, do this, please. Just start throwing the food in the air. Just start throwing the food straight up in the air above us. Not like to them.
Above Adam's
head up in the air. And let's watch how we train the seagulls. This is how you create a company. This is how Mike Kazaki got to a point when he's just like pontificating the ways of life in the world as he exited and sold his company to an $18 billion company. Mike, is this not what it looked like as you built your company? Exactly. And 2 became 4, 4 became 8, and you start training them to jump into the air to get the things. Exactly right.
And you wanted to stop when it was only 2.
Yeah.
And even when it was 4, you wanted to stop.
Yeah, you're like, it's not really doing it.
It wasn't working.
Right? They're not playing it. How many we got now, you think?
I'd say we have 24 with about 10 circling.
Yeah. So that would be 34. Right?
Oh my god.
That's what
Please
break that up!
Oh, then they're gonna fight.
Break everything up. Yes, you get like more bang for your buck.
We're up to 40 now.
40?
Yeah.
Michael's got the official count.
Yep, that's the official count.
What we're looking to do is we're looking to get over 50, and we're looking to break the seagull record.
There's a group of them that are down the beach that are about half the size here. So if those 15 join ours, it'll be huge.
It's like a different plan, and they're worried about.
We got to merge ecosystem, Sean.
You have a mission. Your mission. This is to see if Adam's a leader that can cause an ecosystem merger. Adam, stop. Yes, please. Go get that group and bring them here with us. That other group down there, and you see if we can merge ecosystems with that group. You got to go right up to them and give little tiny piece by little tiny piece.
Actually,
And
Sean, one of them is a scout. So there's like 30
Yeah,
of
feed
them
the
all
first
together.
one, Adam, and bring that merger. Bring back that merger. We're going to break the ecosystem merging. Seagull, as my baby daughter Selena says, Bata is Bata record. Tink, you're the master of the shrimp.
Yeah.
So break that sucker up. Yes.
Happy Saturday.
All right, what do we got now? Michael Johnson.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 42, 44.
44. We have never counted over 50, but we made an intention. And through an intention, we'll break 50 through influence and ecosystem merging.
Here comes 45 and 46.
Yes. And Adam Gugino is going to see if he can bring an ecosystem merger to take us into the 70s.
Did you remind him to offer more than you were taking?
Yes, to add more value than you're taking.
That's right.
And we're having fun shooting a video.
Yes.
But they're getting fed.
That's 100% sure. Yeah.
So they're getting more value than we are.
Yes.
Now watch this. Everybody, if you want to see something really cool, can I suggest everybody go down to your knees or sit?
Is that because they find it less? There's another one.
Threatening.
48. There's another one. 49.
Watch the instat. G, you got to sit. You're not.
Yep.
Gina is deleting, diluting, and distorting out of energy and excitement, and then she's making excuses and being defensive. That's what Gina's doing right now, disrupting the entire process.
47.
Can I make a proposal?
47.
Can you take a seat right next to me?
I was going to go on the other side of Gina.
Come. Take a seat, right? And let's have them. Anybody want food? Come on in. I just request we sit. Just sit, because it's going to make them more comfortable. What we're trying to do is elevate. Don't throw it to them. Make them come here now. Make them come right here. I fed them out of my hands. Just don't even. It's right. It's less than 1 foot from you. Just take it right here, because if we throw any of it, it's going to keep them back. Just right here in front of you guys. See, they're going to go to whoever's throwing it furthest away. So keep it closer and closer. Is Adam Gugino failing at his ecosystem merger?
Yeah.
He offered them cash, and now they're walking away.
Steph, you want to help? What tank? Yeah, where are the other things? Where are the other things?
G Money, you guys some of that food?
No, where did we bring up everything?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're right back behind us. We're going to pass it down. Here.
We're at 48.
What is Adam doing incorrectly? Somebody help me.
He has no food left. He's coming back for more.
No birds down there, so maybe they did come down here. There's only like 4 left down there.
Yeah, I think.
Michael Johnson.
Yes.
What happened?
He ate he gave away the food. A lot of them aren't there anymore, so they may have joined us. I'd say we're at like 48 right now.
We need to get to 50. We've never been to 50. It's a record-breaking day. See, Adam the birds influenced Adam, because he ran out of food, and all he needed to do. How many are by Adam?
None. He's coming back to us.
There's about 4 left, and there were 25 there when he got there.
All right. So there's 4 there.
Yeah.
Give me a tin of food, please, Gene. I cleared them. What? Where? How'd you not bring them back?
They cleared.
Adam Gugino lost the ecosystem merger.
Oh, there's some behind us creeping up.
They went swimming.
There's 2 more behind us.
Watch what happens with mastery. Keep feeding them in front, right in front of us. Don't throw. Keep. Please only feed them 1 foot in front of you. 1 foot.
To the left of you, Sean.
Keep feeding right in front.
We got 50. We got 50. We got 50.
We've broken the seagull record.
That's 50. You know what it is? I wonder if they won't gather in more than that group because they scare each other off.
I will make you a bet. That is,
and that's why feeding them out of the back is working.
That's a base issue, but we will defeat that base issue.
Okay, awesome. $51. 51 was last count.
51! We hit 51!
Sean, I'm getting a video of us. We started with how many seagulls?
One.
We started with one seagull. Okay? Sean's teaching me a very good lesson here at the beach. We now have over 50 seagulls, and we started with one. What did we do with the one seagull?
Yeah, we went one, and it was arduous, and nobody else was coming, and the seagull was hesitant. And then we got to 2. And then it was at 2 for probably 3-4 minutes, and everybody's like, oh, like no other ones are coming today. And of course, I know that's not the case. It's how you create a movement as you move from arduous to momentum to abundance. And then a little while later, we got to 4, and then all of a sudden, a minute later, it was 7. So the distance from 2 to 7, from 4 to 7 was much shorter than the distance from like 1 to 2 to 4. Then the difference from 7 to 15 was like 1 more minute.
And that's not just in building wealth and millions, that's also with the network.
Recruiting teammates, all of it scales at speed when you have the optimal level of Integris influence mastery.
Love it.
Brother.
Love that.
You want to give us a close message? Final
Message is we're going to go surfing. Keep feeding the seagulls, and if he wants to, this is how you build an ecosystem. Going from 1 to 50 with influence mastery. There's a dynamic to it all, bringing this entire thing together. And I do believe that everything is so much easier than what we believe because we're all blind and just learning to see. Let's go